family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Ignore the hair for now, ignore my poofy face. It's early in the morning. I need to jump on a flight tomorrow, so I need to get this hair fixed. But today I'm going to be reviewing the Briogeo hair care line. This is my first time using these products because you guys know I have my own brand as secrets. I will leave a link down in the description box. But they reached out to my manager and myself. I'm like, yes, let's give it a try. They sent over some set and their packaging is amazing. So I'm not being paid for this video, but they sent it over to me for me to review it. Even if I was being paid, I will give it my honest review because I'm not that type of person that wants to own riches on earth. Year is just temporary, so I make sure everything I speak is what is true. I'm a child of God. I don't play around with lies. But let me show you what come in this. They sent this set. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is the rosemary pre-wash. You guys know how I love using rosemary on my hair and also on my kids' hair. So let me see how it smells. Smell like rosemary. Nothing extravagant, which I don't like a lot of fragrance, so that's good. And what I also like about this brand, I researched a little bit about them. They are clean beauty. You guys know we don't play around with chemicals because it's bad for our hair, bad for our scalp, and also bad for our overall health. I take my health very seriously since I was diagnosed with both traction alopecia and alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune disease. So I make sure that everything that I try to put on me and in me is clean. So this brand is also a clean beauty, same as Secrets, which I love. So I'm going to be using this oil. This is a pre-put treatment along with my herb. I made this herb overnight, so I'm going to be using it with that. So this is how it's looking. Also beautiful packaging, and when you open it up, this is what's in it. This package comes with a shampoo. It's a scalp reviver charcoal plus coconut oil micro-exfoliating shampoo. It's strange for me to see shampoo in a jar like this. So open it up. Ooh, that's how it looks. I'm curious to see how it's gonna work on my hair. It's my first time using a shampoo like this. Let me read again. Yes, it's a scalp reviving charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo. Have you tried this? Let's see how this gonna be. Ooh, and it smells great. The next product is the Do Not Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now I have seen this all over social media. I know about this. I've seen a lot of people reviewing it. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, creamy. I'm gonna review it. Now this is a Briogeo testing for density. This is caffeine plus biotin peptide. You guys know how I rate the caffeine coffee. I also have my caffeine hair growth oil. So caffeine is really great for the hair. It helps strengthen the hair. It helps block DHT, which is a hormone responsible for affecting our hair. And biotin also is a B vitamin, which is great for also strengthening and great for hair growth. So this is amazing. I'm going to give this a try. So this is a serum. This is a fair wear face blow dry perfection and heat protecting cream. Now since you guys know I have heat damage, I'm not blow drying my hair for a while now, but when I get my hair back healthy and when I start blow drying my hair, I will use this and let you guys know how it works for me. I'm done with this section, this and this. That's how much I've already used. And this, so I'm only left with this last section. You guys have seen me pre-poo my hair many times, so I just decided to speed through it. all I'm doing is parting it in tiny, not tiny, but little sections and focusing it on my scalp. So let's, and then I also damp my hair, and this open up and it got the point that I can just apply directly on your scalp. And then I also apply some on my hair. And that's all I'm doing, just making sure I'm getting my scalp and my hair. Anytime I do a hot oil treatment or deep condition treatment, I always love to go in with my steam so it can just better penetrate the hair strands. I'm gonna go and pop our steam cap in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. The direction states to leave it on for at least 10 minutes, but I'm used to using oils, so I'm probably gonna leave it on for 30 minutes or an hour. I'm gonna go and start packing my suitcase, so I will see you guys back when I'm about to do my shampoo. And it got something in it. I don't know. I have to check the formula and see. Or like a little beads in it. After rinsing out my shampoo, I love the way my hair felt. So I went in with my conditioner and then I detangled my hair, because when it comes to detangling my hair, I don't play with it. I don't use any other products because I have tried so many other products to detangle my hair and it doesn't work great. This conditioner is the best after I rinse out my shampoo. And also this line doesn't come with a conditioner, and I do use a conditioner to detangle my hair. So I use our S Secrets conditioner, and then after that I went in with the mask. Now I must say I love the texture of the mask, and then I love also the way it made my hair. And then I left it under my steam cap for like, it's now like an hour. So I'm now going to go and rinse out the mask. It's still in my hair and my hair feels extremely soft. It's like it's just suck it in. So I'm gonna go rinse it out, and then I'll come back and moisturize my hair. This line also doesn't come with any moisturizing product, so I'm gonna use our S Secrets leave-in conditioner, our S Secrets Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then also our S Secrets Growth Oil, and then I'm gonna put it in my actual bond. So I will see you guys to end the video after I'm done with all of that and give you guys my final review on the Briogeo products. Okay, family, so I'm done moisturizing my hair. I just put it into my normal bun. If I'm sounding a little bit, my voice is sounding a little bit under the weather, cold, now getting better. But I just wanted to end this video with Briogeo, the shampoo. I love it. Will I use it again? Absolutely yes. The deep conditioner is the same way. I also fell in love with it. Now let me show you guys the serum. I forgot to show you how it looks. So this is it. If you want to give these products a try, I will leave the Briogeo website link down in my description box and also in my comments section. I love the way it left my hair feeling after I rinsed out the deep condition. So I went in and moisturized my hair, threw it into my bun.
As you guys can see, my go-to bun. My bun is a little bit small because you guys know I've cut my hair many times and I'm trying to reverse my heat damage, so it's tiny. This is the tiniest bun I've ever had since I started putting my hair into this size. So wish me good luck. I'm hoping within the next year or two I can be able to get my bun massive again by taking good care of it. So you guys see, we can grow long hair, but if you're not taking good care of it, you can damage it just like that. So make sure you stick to healthy hair practices, healthy hair routine. I'm a content creator, so I love to try things and also share with you guys so you guys don't make those mistakes. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I have to run. I'm always on the run. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.